afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you so much for tuning in to my videos. And welcome to the 2117th edition of Short-Term Trading live with Oscar Carboni. Traders, this video coming at you on a Thursday night for trading, Friday, June 12th, 2020. Before we get into what's on the board and the topics of this video, please know that this is a very risky game. Futures trading, stock trading, ETF trading, trading of any nature. If it's involved in Wall Street, it is tricky, it is risky, and it is not for everyone. So just know this is not suitable for all accounts. You must know about stops. Place your stops before you trade. You've got to have risk capital to lose. You've got to know this game. If you don't know the game, don't trade futures. But if you do, OMNI, once again, I'm going to take a bow. My OMNI is just killing these markets. Hopefully, knock on wood, it'll just continue on. But boy, oh boy, another winning day. We happen to make our coin today being long gold. That worked out really well on Thursday. But if we're going to speak about gold, right to number 3. No more buying gold, at least for Friday. Let's leave gold alone. OMNI's been right. It's been all over gold. OMNI wants us to leave the gold alone Friday and no longer buy. And that's what we'll do. So, red OMNI on the board for trading on 6/12/2020. E-mini S&P, NASDAQ, Russell, and Chipotle CMG. So, it's okay to be short the ES, the NASDAQ, and the Russell on Friday, Thursday night into Friday. But once you get out, sidestep this monster. I am telling you right now, if you get short and it works and it goes down and you get out, sidestep this monster because it wouldn't take much to send it right back up. A lot of nervousness here in this market. If you get your profit, get out and sidestep. Be a professional. That's Friday's plan. When we see a double top, we sell a double top. NASDAQ proves it anyhow. Gave us a few days of pain first, and then it proved that that adage is a fantastic one. And then, as I mentioned, no more buying gold. So, okay, it's okay. It's okay to get short tonight to tomorrow. Don't be short all day. At least I'm not going to be. Sidestep it once you're out. We've seen the double top. I'll show you the charts. And no more buying gold. Traders, join me at livewithoscar.com. My free trading room. I run it all day and night from Sunday night when markets open at 6 p.m. Eastern till Friday afternoon when they close. You'll find me in that trading room going through trades, going through charts, getting through markets, and just living there. It's called livewithoscar.com for a reason. No credit cards are required. Just come hang out with me in my live trading room. It is there for me. It is where I live and breathe. Come on down again. No credit cards required. Come hang out with me. Grab a free membership and join me in my trading room at livewithoscar.com. With no further ado, I want to get right to the charts. Let's get going and take a look at some charts. Traders, if you recall, I stood in front of the camera and showed you this chart and said, I don't like that flat top look. I don't like that flat top look. And then this is what happened the next day. Well, that was 2 days ago. Then yesterday, look what happened today. Oh my goodness, on Thursday. Look at that crack, huh? Talk about a flat top paying off. So far, so good. OMNI's been calling this absolutely correctly. And that's what it looks like now after we had that drop today on Thursday. This is what your E-mini S&P looks like. Same thing. I showed you that flat top, and I told you I don't like what I see, and look what happened here. I also told you that the OMNI turned red, which is why I didn't like what I seen. I don't make this stuff up. I simply follow the OMNI. But OMNI got red right here. And I said, well, you know, that to me looks like a flat top. OMNI's red. Now I can say I don't like what I see, and down we went. That was in this week's video, right? Yesterday. Here we are for tonight's video on Thursday for trading on Friday. This is Thursday's bar. We expect more downside Friday, but be nimble. Take your profits and run. Then, look at this crazy double top. So we talked about this double top in every video all last week and in some of the videos this week. And finally, Fed Day made the double top blow off, pay off. So, double top, it went to here and it didn't quite get above. Then we had this day, and this day. Then the Fed on Fed Wednesday, boom, showing that it doesn't matter what happens if you're patient enough. When we see a double top, we sell a double top. Now, look at the double top in the weekly NASDAQ. Here's what's interesting. Just 2 days ago, we were able to say, hey, so far so good, because this is a weekly bar. This is just one bar. So Monday, Tuesday, into Tuesday, part of Wednesday, so far so good. And then this happened. Boom, Thursday. Proving once again, when we see a double top, we sell a double top. It works, kids. We just had to be patient on this one. This was a massive one, and it just took a few days longer than usual, but look what happened anyway. We're all the way down here now. Isn't that interesting? And then we roll out to CMG, Chipotle. Traders, my Omni says get short Chipotle, so that's what we'll do if we get our opportunity. Looks to me like it wants to crack. There is a gap that was left here, which hasn't been filled yet, so maybe it wants to fill that gap and then drop down a little further. I'm following my Omni. My Omni says we're going to sell CMG, and if we get a chance on a bit of a rally, we will sell CMG. So, traders, you've seen the charts. Let me just explain one thing to you, because there are certain days that traders don't understand what's going on. When I put this arrow on the board and I tell you that Omni arrow is red, that means the Omni wants me to start the day off with an approach of selling the rallies. Red Omni. Don't get long, sell rallies. That Omni on the board doesn't mean that the market will stay in that direction for the entire day. I run live trades. Once I'm out of my trades, I don't care if the arrow turns green and we end up higher at the end of the day. My job is to make money. Not look right, not be right, make money, make points. So just to let you know, if you see this arrow on Friday afternoon, we've closed higher. If I got short with the Omniacs, we dropped, the market dropped, we took our profit and got out of the way, and it ends up strong, you can write all the stupid comments you want, and I will laugh with 2 loaves of bread under my arms all the way to the bank. So just remember that. I can't control where the markets go. I can control how us Omniacs behave in that volatility. Thank you to Omni. It has behaved extremely, extremely well in the last 6-8 weeks. It just keeps banging away. That doesn't happen every day of my life. You know, knock on wood, as I said, and one day at a time, head down, nose to the grindstone, on to the next trade. This is no holy grail, but it sure is banging away right now. And while it's banging away, I'm going to bank my points. All right, traders, that's it. It is Thursday night for Trading Friday. Make sure that you are patient. Wait for the market to reach your spot. Know how to plan a trade before you get in, and then trade that plan without messing it up. Flawlessly trade your plan. If you don't know how to do that, you really need to come out to my Omni Camp at the end of June. It's the only one we have scheduled for the summer because Vegas gets too hot July, August, September. We usually don't do camps. We've got one scheduled with 2 seats open. That is a 5-night, 4-day stay here in Las Vegas. The seminar is intense. You will learn everything that there is to know about the Omni, how to call the trades for yourself, the way you see Omni killing these markets for you. And I feed you fish every day. If you take my trades, I'll teach you how to fish for yourselves. 2 open seats for the end of this month. Contact me, 702-629-4755, or come to livewithoscar.com and fill out your OmniCamp application. All right, traders, that's it. I will see you in the trading room. Remember to keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do to keep those emotions at bay is put the damn stop in first. I guarantee you it will help. And then say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening. And you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Traders, thank you tuning in. Make sure you subscribe to my videos. And I will see you all at livewithoscar.com. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided.